Hi guys, welcome back again to another episode of Cook with Molen. If you are new here, my name is Molen and karibu sana. If you are returning subscribers, thank you so much. So today, as you've seen from the title of the video, I'm going to make arrowroot or nduma recipe. So guys, if you love nduma, this video is definitely for you. So let's get started. So guys, here I have my ingredients. I have meat here. This is beef. I have chopped onions. I have potato already washed. I have the arrowroots. These are arrowroots. Already washed them as well. I have some tomatoes, green pepper or green capsicum, coriander or dhania. I have salt. I have 1 clove of garlic. I've already grated it. I have 2 royco cubes. I have tomato paste, cooking oil, and lastly water. So guys, let's move on to the next step. I'll start by boiling the meat. Just shallow boiling the meat with a little bit of water. I'm going to boil it with the garlic and some salt. So as I wait for the meat to boil, let me go ahead and start chopping the tomatoes and the capsicum. I'm chopping the capsicum and the tomatoes as I wait for my meat to boil a little bit. I'm not going to use all of this capsicum. I just feel this is enough, so I'm going to use half of it. So guys, the water has drained. So next I'm going to start cooking my matoke. I'll go ahead and add some onions and cooking oil. Let's wait for the onions to cook. I will just go ahead and add the tomatoes and the capsicum. Add the royco cubes. Salt. And the tomato paste. Wait for the tomatoes to get cooked. So first I'm going to add the arrowroot, because this one they normally take some time to cook, so I won't put them together with the potatoes. The potatoes might overcook fast. I'm going to add a little bit of water. So I'm going to cook the arrowroot for like 5 minutes, and then I'm going. So now I'm going to add the potatoes. Now let's wait for to add the coriander. Wow, it's ready. Smells so yummy. So guys, our dinner is ready. As you can see, it's really yummy. Guys, I'm telling you, this food is so yummy right now. You should try this combo. You will love it. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, kindly give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe, guys. So guys, thank you so much. See you in the next one. Bye bye.